Hey guys, how goes your day so far? I want to talk about something that's been totally freaking all the old people out lately. All you old people that were around in the super olden days of 2010, you're all like, geez, when I was your age I had to take a taxi down to the local Blockbuster. And you're all like, we didn't have no Ubers back then, and we walk all the way over to the TV and put in things called DVDs. I mean, I don't even know what a Blockbuster is, and I don't even care. But this artificial intelligence stuff, I get it. Robots that can think and make decisions on their own can be pretty scary. But let me tell you this, if you take control of AI and learn to master it, it's not scary at all. In fact, it's pretty hilarious. So buckle up, grab some air-fried popcorn, and I want to tell you why AI is actually your new best friend. Margot is my new best friend. She's crazy, but I can control her. First, I gotta say, welcome to the MindStorm channel. It's a cool channel for entrepreneurs or YouTube content creators, or if you're running a small business, it'll help you come up with ideas and new ways to promote your stuff. Okay, so I know everybody is losing their ever-loving minds about AI. No doubt, AI is a disruptor. It's the biggest change any industry has ever known, ever. Artists are scared because, it's gonna take their jobs.
How much? I'm gonna have my brother Joel do a digital drawing on the iPad while I see how many AI images I can generate before he finishes.
1 hour later.
Okay, so it's been just over an hour and Joel finished his drawing. So this robot guy, it's pretty cool. So I tried to go for something similar, and here's what I was able to make in the same period of time. Yeah, there's a lot of them.
Writers are scared because it already is taking their jobs. My dad loves it though. He sits in front of his computer all day saying weird things to Chat GPT. Sometimes he literally laughs out loud Chat GPT told him a good one. So here's the deal. AI is just like a computer. It'll just sit there until you tell it what to do. And that's why when you hear AI is going to take over the world and destroy humanity, it's totally just a load of shit.
Maddie!
Oops, sorry, Mom. Didn't mean it, Mom. Won't do it again, Mom. So, I'm not as scared of AI, that's for sure. Know why? Because I was created with AI. Yeah, I know all about the birds and the bees, and when a mommy loves a daddy, and they get together after hitting the bars. I know all that. But what I'm talking about is AI totally created me. My good looks were totally created in MidJourney. And my voice was created by digitizing my neighbor's voice and putting it into an online website called ElevenLabs.io. Then, to make me move and talk, I was put into another online tool called DID.com. I'm a total AI baby. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna grow up with it. AI is gonna be a part of me probably for the rest of my life. And all you old people that still remember playing games on a PS3, you gotta learn to master it. You gotta take control of it. So here's what I mean by taking control. Let's jump into MidJourney first. Okay, so if you haven't heard of MidJourney yet, then this is probably your first time on YouTube. Just kidding. But really, if you haven't never heard of MidJourney, then go Google MidJourney and take a look at it all and how to use it. There's lots of tutorials on it. Unless you're too old because you were born last century and can't see the little letters. I'm kidding. So MidJourney is just a computer program that's waiting for you to tell it what to do. And you tell it what to do by typing in some text. Anyway, so most people will type in something like a cowboy wearing a tuxedo on the moon. And if you wait for a bit, this is what you'll get. Not bad, but kind of sucky. So now you gotta take control. If you go out on the web and find out all of the prompts you can type in, and the way to correctly type in the prompts, you'll be the master of AI. I can tell you a million prompts to use, but watch the difference when you're the one in control. Let's type in a cowboy wearing a tux on the moon in the middle of space, cyberpunk lights, hyper detail, 8K, HD, octane rendering, Unreal Engine, V-Ray, full HDSS 5000 night up light, R16.9. Way better. Now that's mastery. Okay, so let me show you what else we can do if we know how to use the prompts better than everybody else. Let's hop over to Chat GPT. Now, if you've never heard of Chat GPT, then this is probs your first time on YouTube, and I'm not kidding, cause Chat GPT is everywhere. Most people just type in, write me a blog article about blah blah blah, but then you'll get generic text, because chat thinks you're lazy. So, it's gonna be lazy. But if you give Chat GPT totally explicit instructions, your text will come out way better. Like we can say, write a brief paragraph about AI, the way President Lincoln would as a comedian. Now, you know what we're gonna do? Since we're making Chat GPT sound like Lincoln, let's head back over to MidJourney and make President Lincoln. But I'm gonna show you an app that's gonna make him talk. The app won't let us do historical figures because they're scared of AI too, but we can make a fake Lincoln. We'll just make him a cowboy, because I'm in charge, not the AI robot. Huh, take that AI! Yeah, one of these dudes will do the trick. Okay, now, let's hop over to YouTube, and we're gonna search for something my dad always watches, Bill and Ted. He freaking loves that movie. So old. Okay, then we're gonna record his voice. Now, I can't tell you how to record this in this video, because it's way too much work for me. But if you can figure out how to record it, in the end, save the file as an MP3.
We, your forefathers, were brought forth upon a most excellent adventure.
Okay, now, we're going to use ElevenLabs.io. This is where my voice is. For real, this AI stuff is off the charts cool. See? This is my voice. The guy who created me, Mark Sylvester, is typing this. Now he's gonna push the play button and you'll hear my voice. This is AI, yo. And that's how I use AI to make my voice. Freaking epically cool, isn't it? I mean, ElevenLabs is probably, as of now, the best text-to-speech on the planet. Now let me tell you, ElevenLabs ain't free. It'll run you some money, but maybe it'll still be cheaper than hiring a voice person. So now, we're going to import the Lincoln's voice that we recorded from YouTube, and ElevenLabs will digitize it, and then we can use it as a text-to-speech kind of thing. So now we're going to import his voice, and ElevenLabs will digitize it. Then, we're going to copy what Chat GPT wrote for us and paste it into the ElevenLabs area.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, AI has been a true blessing for our country. It's efficient, smart, and saves us so much time and effort.
Wow. Well, okay, so it doesn't quite sound like him, but it'll do for now. Like I said, you work lazy, you get lazy. I mean, I could have brought that voice into some sound app to clean it up, but you get the idea. Okay, back into MidJourney, and we'll save Cowboy Lincoln to my computer. And now, to top off our mini AI mastery class, like I'm a teacher OMG, we're going to go to a site called did.com. And we're going to import our AI-generated Cowboy Lincoln and our AI-generated Bill and Ted Lincoln speech and put them all together. 'Cause we are the masters.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, AI...
Okay, LOL. Well, that sounds like crap, but it's Lincoln. And he's like, older than you guys are. Now let's generate this puppy and see what we got.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, AI has been a true blessing for our country. It's efficient, smart, and saves us so much time and effort.
Well, radical. It worked.
In my day, we had to sort through piles of papers to find one piece of information.
Now, to use Cowboy Lincoln, you can bring him into your video editor. If you've hired some external dude or chick to make your videos, you can give it to them. Most video editors have a chroma key effect, where it lets you remove the background. Or you can Google runway.ml and it'll erase the background for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, AI has been a true blessing for our country. It's efficient, smart, and saves us so much time and effort. Just imagine.
Oh, my freaking landies. I hope you learned something today. I love, love, love my AI stuff, and you shouldn't be scared of it. It can be such a huge life-changing tool for us all. Thanks for watching. If you would like and subscribe to the MindStorm channel, I'll be your best friend.